Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 5, Subject Science. Chapter Properties of Water. In this video, we will do revision of the chapter Properties of Water. We will study about certain properties of water. On a hot summer days, we all used to drink lemon water, Nibu Pani. It is a very refreshing drink. Do you know how it is get prepared? Let us see. For preparing lemon water or Nibu Pani, we need a glass of water. Into that we have to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then we have to stir the mixture. After some time we will observe that sugar disappears in water. Now we have to add some lemon juice and a pinch of salt to the water and sugar mixture. And again we have to stir the mixture. So salt and lemon juice also get disappear in the water. And we get a very tasty, refreshing drink, that is Nibu Pani or lemonade. During preparation of lemonade or Nibu Pani, salt, sugar and lemon juice all disappear into water, all get dissolved in water, and taste of water became changes. It became very delicious. How this happens? It happens so because sugar, salt and lemon juice are soluble in water. They get dissolved in water. Now, what are these soluble substances? So, when a substance completely mixes in water such that its particles are not visible, it is said to have got dissolved in water. Those substances which get dissolved in water are said to be soluble in it. For example, sugar, salt, lemon juice, all these are soluble substances. All these substances get dissolved in water. All these substances are soluble in water. When a substance dissolves completely in any medium, we get a solution. Thus, by mixing sugar in water, we get sugar solution. In the same way, when we add salt into water, we will get salt solution. So, whenever some substance may be solid, may be liquid, or maybe gas get dissolved in other substance, maybe solid, maybe liquid, or maybe gas, such we obtain or we will get solution. Suppose we have added sugar into a glass of water, so sugar will be solute and water will be solvent, and we get a mixture of sugar and water. That mixture is solution. Thus, the substance that get dissolved in a medium to form a solution is called a solute, and the medium in which substance is dissolved is called as solvent. So, we can say that a solution is mixture of solute and solvent. A solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. Or we can also say that solute and solvent together give us mixture or solution. In lemonade or lemon water drink, water is solvent and sugar, salt, lemon juice, these are solutes. Likewise, in a salt solution, salt is solute and water is solvent, and salt solution is a salt mixture of salt and water is a solution. Suppose we have taken ink in water, so we will get a solution of ink. So ink will be solute and water is solvent, and the mixture of ink in water is solution. So a solution consists of solvent, which is in larger amount, and solute, which is in small amount. Thank you.